Okay, today I'm doing a small quick tutorial about a question that I've had as far as how do I go about doing a scanner or stock search for bankrupt stocks. I've actually had some success in bankrupt stocks, investing in bankrupt stocks, but it can be very, very risky. So what I want to do is to first give you a disclaimer. Uh, Invest at your own risk. Um, First off, you want to make certain that you're trying to find a stock that shareholders will be preserved once the company comes out of bankruptcy. You've got a couple of different types of bankruptcy. You've got a Chapter 7 when a company basically folds and goes out of business. Chapter 11 when that company may be trying to restructure and come back as a more financially stable company. Anyway, what I do as far as to try to find my stocks, as far as the bankrupt stocks, when I'm trying to get involved as far as to do a scan on that. What I'm going to do first here is I'll go over here to this otcefnra.org. Okay, so let's go to otcefnra.org /DL bankruptcy. Okay, now once I get to this website, I'm going to do a search as far as the daily listing of bankruptcy. So I'll go around to the daily list range. And let's say here I want to go back to, say, February. This is today is the 24th of September. But I want to go back to February 1st, just to throw that in there. Um, okay, so we go down here, we see that there has been 181 bankruptcies that have been filed. Now, come over here, you'll find a ticker for that company, the symbol, and the company name. Okay. Now, I've already found a company that I'm definitely interested in, and actually, I've actually invested in this company here, which I actually found on this particular website. So, from that website, otce.finra.org is where we're doing our search. Okay. So, we'll take from otcefnra.org. Now, I'll come over here to the OTC market. Okay, so I'll come over here to otcemarkets.com, and let's say I found this company already there in PGNPQ, which is now listed on a pink. And okay, so what happens is this warning pops up. This is a bankrupt stock. So the OTC markets board, or this otcmarkets.com, gives us this warning. You may want to click on that the first couple times that you do this, get yourself familiar with how bankruptcy works, different types of bankruptcies, what might happen in a bankruptcy, understand your role as a shareholder. Um, Again, the roles of the creditors, bondholders, but you definitely have to understand that a lot of times in these bankruptcies, shares may be canceled. So, what I've done is I found this company that I've uh, Paragon Offshore. This Paragon Offshore, what I would do is I would go once I find that company and come here to the OTC market, something that I'm interested in. I'll go over here to the financials. Let's click on the financials and see what financials are. Of course, the company's in bankruptcy, but still even in bankruptcy, when they report, like this company did, um, it actually beat earnings by 56 cents. Okay, so you go there, you go to news. Okay, you've got filings and disclosures, which this shows all the 8K, 10K, 4K, and um, as far as the insider activity and the fours. So what I like to do from that, let's go back here to let's go back over here to the news here. Okay, this is why I actually got into this stock. PGNPQ, Paragon Offshore. Okay, this company filed a bankruptcy. I believe this company, let's see here. The company filed bankruptcy, and it shows here that the shareholders, when they emerge from bankruptcy, the revised plan, initially the shareholders were going to retain 65%. Okay, everybody wasn't on board with that, so right now it's 53% of shareholder ownership in the new company. That's the existing shareholders, existing keyword. So that lets us know that shareholders will not be wiped out. Okay, now if you go back and you look at the history of this company, I believe this company, when it first came to the market, um, the shares were listed between 12 to $15. So between 12 to $15, and right now we have a company that's basically reorganizing, and I expect that we'll probably see at least half that as far as the value when the shares come back out on market. So another thing, what I'd like to do is once I've found my stock that I'm interested in, I'll definitely visit that company's website. Visit that company's website, and let's just do a real quick trip over here to this Paragon. Okay, ParagonOffshore.com. Obviously, I already been there. Okay, so once I get here, I'll go to Investor Relations. Okay, so Investor News, Investor Resources. Um, this company has been very thorough about every step of their bankruptcy. So that's definitely something that you would like to look at that company's website. Um, anyway, you've got another couple websites as far as where you can go and do some searches. Pacer.gov, which actually costs uh, per piece of information, per document that you actually want to look up or download. Also, epicsystems.com. That's EPIQSYSTEMS.com. That's another good website to find some ideas as far as your possible possible companies that you may want to invest in. Another Prime Clark, very good resource. But anyway, right now my money is on this PGNPQ. It's already shown that the plan was revised, and 53% of that plan says that 53% of that company will be owned by shareholders, the current shareholders, once it actually exits bankruptcy. Another thing that you may want to do is when you go to these sites, as far as the companies that you're interested in, definitely you want to follow either follow these RSS feeds or sign up. Sign up your email to get these daily alerts. And that's not my real email, but anyway, you get the idea. So I hope this helps somebody. Please share it. Please like and share it. And stay tuned for more informative videos. Good day, Mike. Goodbye. Go Broncos.